Yes, good morning, everyone. Sir, in the last class, how to implement a browsable API by using the API view class. First, we discussed about API view, list API view, create API view, retrieve API view, next update, destroy. 6 classes we are completed. They're all the 6 predefined classes. By using this, how to implemented our endpoints, we completed. Yesterday, in the end of the session, I'm given a small example. If we consider the bank application, in the bank application, you are allowed to view the bank balance. You are not allowed to delete an account. But present yesterday, whatever endpoints I implemented, I can do anything. I can insert the record, I can delete, I can update, I can do anything. We are not providing. So we have to give the permission to only view the balance, not allowed to delete an account. Previously, one more application is there. Sunny Jobs. In the Sunny Jobs, being end user, you can see list of the jobs. You can see list of the jobs only, but you are not allowed to delete any job. So for deletion, there is no permission, only how to view the job only. And you are not allowed to, can you update any job? No chance. Pony. You are not allowed to create a new job. Only you have permission. Whatever jobs are available there, just you have to see the job only. Updation, deletion, creating job, those permissions are not provided to the end user. In this case also, just you have to allow to view the balance. You are not allowed to delete an account. Sir, here list API view is allowed to display all the list of employees. Create API view is responsible to insert one resource to the database. I want to do both operations simultaneously by using one class. So now my concept is implementing the both list and create simultaneously. How to implement both operations? There is one class is there, list, create, view. This is the class. So go to the our application, Atom. Just 3 kada. Noted. So now Take the class, one more class. My class name is employee list create API view. Inside, what is the class name? The class name is list create API view. This is the parent class. Take this one. This is the parent class. Inside, what is the variable? Query set equal to how to get the data. Employee dot objects dot all. Next one, another variable. Serializer class. Serializer class equal to what is the serializer class? Employee serializer done. For this one endpoint. Sir, ఇక్కడ I'm doing all operations list API, create API, retrieval, update, destroy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiple endpoints will be there, multiple classes are there. Now, total application have to do in the two endpoints only. API list create view. Now, start the server. REST API CD with REST class 3 py manage.py run the server. Dun, 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 dun. See the server now. Server is restarted. Copy. Come to here. Go to the admin panel. Login. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records are there. Go to here. API is the endpoint now. See. Employee list create API view. First employee, second employee, third employee, fourth employee, fifth employee. If you want to insert data, post also available there. First time getting data list displayed. Oh, screen is no holiday. Sir, 105 is there. Employee number 106. Employee name Chinny, Pinny, Bunny, Sunny. Employee salary. Employee address. Click on post. Record inserted. Go to here, 5 records are there, refresh. 106 there. So by using single class, both operations are possible. That class is list create API view. So in the views.py, take this class, create one endpoint. And this one is not required, just what we completed, this example. From here, you can take enough. And what is the difference between this Exception handling versus assertions. Exception handling ki assertion ki, what is the difference? Exception handling versus assertion. అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అసెర్షన్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలీదు. అసెట్ కీవర్డ్. టు రైజ్ ద ఎర్రర్. మరి yesterday we are getting na sometimes error, assertion error I'm getting, I am telling assertion error compulsory. In the real time application, once we are using asset keyword is very, in your keyword list, the first keyword is asset keyword only. Whenever you can check the keywords, the first keyword itself, asset is the keyword. Error handling and error finding. Sir, I will give that notes, assertion notes I will give today in Telegram. I will upload it. Just to go through that one, then find out what is exception handling versus assertions. Who attended my Python classes, I explained in Advanced Python 3rd chapter. After exception handling, logging module. After that, assertions. Logging module, you have idea? That is also don't know. Those two are important. Logging module, assertion. After getting the job. I will give the Telegram link. So next one. Completed. I have implemented both retrieve and update. Both are required ID. So with single class, I can do both operations. Retrieve I can do. Same record, if you want to update, I can do update operation also. For that, there is one more class is there. That class name is retrieve update API view. This is the class. Retrieve update API view. Now, take one class, employee, retrieve update API view. Retrieve, sorry, update API view. Next, somewhere else we are using ID equal to kana, same story. Because if I'm given ID, compulsory you can give lookup field equal to ID, employee serializer, this one. Go to the URL pattern. ID pattern is there, na, copy this ID. So only these two endpoints is enough. Employee, retrieve, update, API view. Now server is okay. Copy the address. Go to the browser. On the already go to one. One record I'm getting. 101 Sunny 12,000 Mumbai. Now I want to change as a Sunny Leone. Salary 22,000. Go to there. Refresh. Sunny Leone 22,000. And I'm retrieving and updating. Both we have to do in the single class. URL. Maybe I think after 1 2 days or 3 days evening they will started one online workshop evening 4 to 5. In that, who are attending my regular classes already explained for you those things. And this type of things, assertion, logging module, advanced logging module, and there are Python new features are there. The regular classes last 10 to 15 classes explained now. Those classes, Python new features. In the latest version, whatever updations are there, like walrus operator, dictionary, F strings, in the F strings, curling braces. I will show the content. I will say maximum 2 days. They are asking to conduct workshop 10 days, evening 4 to 5. That too only online only, no offline, only online class that is. Okay, compulsory you can attend. Then whatever I'm asking questions now, those assertion, logging module. In Python latest version, dictionary, whatever new features are there. Some interview questions I will explain. Once link created, I will share in the Google Classroom. Sorry, Telegram, I will upload it. Because that one, everyone can attend that batch. All the Python new things, whatever there, those I will explain. Python new features. Telegram link. Yeah, it's online only. 4 to 5, just 1 hour. MongoDB, no idea when they will start. MongoDB. Hey, error boy, it's not mango. కావాలని పెట్టాడు. ఏడి నిన్న వచ్చాడుగా క్లాస్కి. ఈరోజు రాలేదా? నిన్న వచ్చాడు క్లాస్కి. ఫీవర్ వస్తుందా? రెస్ట్ తీసుకో. హౌ టు నో న్యూ రిలీజ్ రిఫ్యూజన్ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్. This site can't be reached. Which site? MongoDB site. Sir, now how to perform retrieve and deletion this time? Okay. Same story again. Tomorrow class is there. I have very less time is there. They are given within 20. I will finish our classes. Tomorrow class is there. Sir, now view slow. I have to go with retrieve, destroy. Retrieve and destroy API view. Sir, ఇప్పుడు take the class. Retrieve instead of update. Destroy API view. Destroy API view. Now go to the URLs. Comment this. employee retrieve and destroy API view. Now go to here. The records are latest one, seventh one. You can take 7. ఇదిగోండి సెవెంత్ రికార్డు 106 Radhika 12,000 Vijayawada. Delete option came. Delete. The record will be gone. Deleted. So that is the URL is this is the URL. Butterfly story. You know how to do operations in HTML file? Already explained. Why are you asking all these things, Shruti? In Django ORM, what is the meaning of ORM? I used update to delete, add all the buttons at the time of CBVs. Here I'm not talking about application. Now we are talking about endpoints APIs. Not REST API. REST API means we won't do anything in that file. So we have to implement one endpoint. Once application is there, how to create, I will show. Okay. Sir, previous ki ikkada at the time of retrieve, update, same endpoint. Retrieve, delete ki kuda same endpoint only we are using. So that's why can I implemented both retrieve, update and destroy all operations into single class. Then 2 endpoints are enough. The Telegram link, that is my Telegram channel link. So now how to do retrieve, update, destroy all operations? For that, take one class. What is the class name? Retrieve, update, destroy API. So you have to take employee retrieve, update, destroy API view. Inside this is the parent class. Now this is the common. For this URL endpoint. So finally in your application, only these 2 endpoints are enough. Employee retrieve, update, destroy API view. Now go to here, ask about the 6th employee. You have to employ retrieve, Updation purpose, this one button. Deletion purpose, this one. If you want to update, sixth not there, లేదు 5, sorry. 6 లేదు 5, fifth ID is there. 105 Katrina 12,000 Chennai is there. If you want to update Katrina Kaif 18,000 put method. Go to here, refresh. Katrina Kaif 18,000. Come to here, delete. Record was gone. So I updated, retrieved, and destroyed. So only 2 endpoints are enough for you. The story of API view. So implementing all the CRUD operations by using 2 endpoints. This is the one endpoint. Uncomment these two. You have to do all operations. So I'm uncommenting these two API view. Now see the server here. Server is started. Now I can do all operations here. First directly can give API. It will be displayed. Employee list create API. All the details will be displayed. If you want to post the record, you can insert some record. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 104. Now I want to take some 105 e-name, e-salary, e-address, post it. Once he posted the data, refresh, data will be inserted there. Now that ID enta 8. So if you want to take this 8 ID, then automatically all operations are coming. Update, delete. So the 2 endpoints, all operations have to completed. So that is the API view classes. So whatever classes are there, just I will copy paste here. You don't write those things. Import. for EV classes. Not completed this one. Completed. Get and Swami. Up to now, I've implemented all operations. Get to, put to, post all methods. I inserted, I updated all the things. Sorry, classes don't write. Okay, just to note sec I'm given. Next concept is mixins. What is a mixin? Somewhere else we discussed. It is also normal class meant for reusability purpose. Direct child class to the object. Object class. It contains only methods. It is available REST underscore framework. Mixins is the module. Previously, we are using not REST framework. Now, REST framework direct Mixins module is there. In that first one, list model mixin. List model mixin. It is to implement the list operation. Get method handler. We have two method name is list. Inside request, comma, single star, args, comma, star star, KW args. Second class, create model mixin. These are all the predefined classes. To implementing create operation, that is for creating and saving new model instance, post method handler. Third one, retrieve model mixin. Retrieve model mixin. To implement the retrieve detail operation, to implement update operation, both put and patch. Two methods are there, update, partial update. Last class, destroy model mixin. To implement we five predefined classes in the mixins. Tomorrow, no holiday class is there tomorrow. So Arshun, now these are all the 5 classes are available there. List model, create model, mixin, retrieve, update, destroy. If you want to go to this documentation, so here go to the Django REST framework. This is the documentation site here. You can go with Mixins. You can Mixins lo list model, create, retrieve, update, destroy. Open this internal content list model. Is going list model mixin. What is the method? List is the method. Request ask KW. Create. You have to implement create method. Retrieval. Retrieve method. Update key. Update. Partial update. Destroy key. Destroy method. Whatever is there, that is only I am written here. Now take the views.py. Go to the views here. Create the view class employee. I am implementing list and create API view. Inside I have to give the mixins kavali kabatti from rest underscore framework. What is the module name? Mixins is the module name. Now mixins dot create model mixin. After that list API. List to create both I can implement it there here. The argument is query set equal to employee dot objects dot all. Next, what is the variable name? Serializer class. What is the serializer class? Employee serializer. What is the method I have to override? Post method is the method handler. Okay. Instead, I have to go with self, request, arguments. Instead, you have to call which method? Self dot. What is the method? Just now I'm telling. Create. Now inside request, comma, arguments, star KW arguments. This is the class. For this class, one endpoint. Employee list create. మన క్లాస్ నేమ్ ఏంటి? Employee list create model mixin. This is the class. For this class, define one endpoint. Now endpoint is ready. See the server. Server is fine. Copy the address. Come to here. Take the new browser. API. List. Employee list create model mixin. 1, 2, 4, 5 records are available. If you want to insert, available there. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth record I want to insert. 106. Employee name. Chinni, Pinni, Bunny, Sunny. Employee salary 13,000. Employee address Delhi. Post. Go to there. Refresh. Inserted. And both operations you are performing. List out the employees or create by using model mixin class. The story. వామ్మో, నిజంగా చదివి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే వాళ్ళు కూడా అడగరు అలాగా. హ్మ్. Both I'm using na create model, I'm using list. If you want, you can use that one also, no problem. Anything you can implement. One URL pattern. So list to create completed. Next one, retrieve, update, destroy. Next one, next class. Go to here, views, take the one more class, employee, retrieve, update, destroy, model mixin. Inside mixins dot, update model mixin, mixins dot, destroy model mixin, retrieval purpose, retrieve API view. 3 I have to provide that there. Now query set serializer class. Both I can provide it. So here 3 methods are there. Updation purpose, def put method, inside self, request, arguments, KW arguments. For the put method, what is the method we have to call? Self dot update method. Inside you can pass request arguments. First method. Second one, patch method. For the patch, what is the method? Partial update. Last method, delete method. Further delete, the corresponding method is destroy. Completed. For this class, one URL pattern is there. This is the second endpoint. Integer ID. Lookup field we are not given. That's why I'm taken primary key. Employee retrieve, update, destroy. Model mixin. Now server is okay, fine. Go to the application. Inside whatever records are there. Last record ID is 9. Go to the retrieve ninth record. And I'm getting ninth record. Put operation is there. Delete operation there. If you want to change, you can change the fields. I want only one or two fields. Patch command, put command. For example, I want to change number name. I don't want change. The salary I want to change it as a some 18,000. I want to change it as a Chennai. Then we go to the which command? Patch. Now go to here, refresh. Chennai 18,000. If I want to change all, then put method. If I want to delete, delete method. The employee will gone. That is the way of implementing the model mixins. What's the difference in mixins? Nothing will be there. Mixins also class, predefined class. Inside methods are there. By using it, we are providing. But once you are sending the data, we are sending one request or not request. These are all the predefined methods. This update method, partial update method, destroy. We are getting one request and I'm passing arguments. Then corresponding method will be executed there. All these things internally will be done by these parent classes. That's why it is a, if it is a normal API view, we know functionalities. In case of this predefined classes, how the functionality is working, we don't know. Only whatever predefined classes are there, those we can implementing. But why I'm using query set variable, serializer class? They're all the predefined variables available to the this class. Whenever patch method means only some of the fields if you want to update, then partial update method they can provided. If you want to full updation, then you can call the update method it is calling. Put a patch of which one previously just I updated just one or two fields. Then I can go to the patch. If all fields I changed, I can go to the put method. There are all the predefined methods, partial update, destroy. These are all the predefined methods available to this model mixins. Up to now we completed API views. Now we can do same thing by using view set. So next one is stop the server, create the new project now. Here close all the tabs we need to close. Go to here. Django-admin start project with REST class 4 cd with REST C4 py manage.py start app test app. Now create a new project, new application. Here you can add two things. One is REST underscore framework and test app in settings.py. Go to the with REST 4, go to the settings, install apps. First one, REST underscore framework. And one more is there, test app. Go to the models.py, take the model employee model is the class, employee number models dot integer field, employee name models dot character field, maximum length I can provided employee salary models dot float field, employee address models dot same character field, maximum length 64. This is the class. Sir, once a table is ready, you have to register to the admin.py. Go to the admin, inside class employee admin, admin dot model admin. The variable is list underscore display. Inside first one ID, employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Admin dot site dot register, class name employee, employee admin. This employee is from test app dot models, import employee. This is the admin panel. After this, we have to do the make migrations and migrate. So now go to this py manage.py, make migrations, migrate, table created, create super user, email ID, password, password, yes, run the server, server is started. Go to the admin panel now, login, table is there, no records, add some records, save. 4 records added. So admin panel registered. Next class is serializers.py. Instead, you have to take model serializer. So under test app, right click, new file, Python file, serializers.py file. Here from rest underscore framework dot, the module name is serializers, import simple version purpose model serializer. And now class employee serializer. Instead, I have to give parent class model serializer. Inside give class. What is the class name? Meta class. Which model? Our model name is employee. How many fields? Fields equal to underscore underscore all. But this employee is available from test app dot models import employee. This is the serializers class. Now finally mention the view. We are using so many times now. Admin is the module name, model admin is the class name. This is the parent, this is our child class. From Djang onwards, we are using na, this one. Admin, model admin, how to register table to the admin panel. Finally, we have to implemented a views. So finally, we create one view to display the data. Go to the views.py file. Class employee crud cbb. Inside, what is the parent class? Our name only. What is the class name? From rest underscore framework dot view sets. Import which class? You have to import model view set. Give this class. Once model view set is there, what is the variable? Query set. Take all the data. Employee dot objects dot all. Next variable serializer class. What is the serializer class name? Employee serializer. But employee is not here. This one is also not here. From test app dot models import employee. Same from test app dot serializers import your class name employee serializer. This is the view. Then this view can do all operations. Get operation, put, post, patch, all will be working here. దీనికి ఒక URL pattern. Previously we have written so many classes. Whatever class we are using, list API view, create API, this, that, everything. That only one class, model view set. All operations you have to do. Now this view set I can test it by using Postman. Browsable API I can test by using Postman. Also my API is working or not working. I have to test it both ways. View set means how to define URL. Router concept. Manual URL mapping is not possible. In the last class I explained router concept. Unexpected keyword argument group. Something value you are passing unnecessarily. View set can do everything, man. Once I'm using view set, simple API I'm implemented. We don't want to use all the things. In the real time, everyone using only view set only. But is simple API, fast API can implemented view set is the best choice. So then you define one URL. How to define URL here from test app, import, views. Yesterday I'm telling there is one class is there from rest underscore framework dot. What is the module name? Routers. Import. What is the class name? Default router. Create object. Default router with parentheses. Object dot created. Give any reference variable. The reference variable is router. By using this router, you have to register router dot register inside your endpoint. What it is? API. What is your view name? Views dot. What is our view name? Employee CRUD. And what is the argument? Base name. What is the base name I can provide that API? So that base name argument is optional. If I don't want, okay, just remove this, not required. Just mention your API. Both are same only. Once I given in path, there is one function is there. What is the function? Include. Now, inside you can include that. Path. Don't give anything. Empty entry point. Here, the function is include is the function. Instead, I want to provide a router dot URLs. Now see the server. Ekada 18. Now server is fine. Copy the address. Go to the browser. So here, first give API. All will come here, all operations. On ID 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records will be displayed. Post method is there. If you want to insert record, take this one, insert the record. For example, 4 are available there. 105, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Post this. Go to here, refresh. Employee added there successfully. Once employee added, see here, I'm written only one normal view only. This person will take care everything, all operations. Only one endpoint. Real time everyone using this one only, view sets only, maximum. If not possible, then we can go to API view. Once it is done, the ID is 5. Take this fifth ID. Then all operations are coming. Put, delete. If you want to update the record, suppose only salary I want to update 18,000, Chennai to Delhi. Only 2 columns I want to update. Remove these 2 things. Then what you command? Patch. Record is updated. Go to their Lily 12,000. Change it. 18,000 Delhi. Go to here. I want to delete. Delete this. Instance gone. Refresh. Deleted there. All operations are available. Now, this API is perfect or not perfect. Third-party application is there. I'm not using browser. The third-party application, Postman. So you have to install Postman in your machine. Because starting we completed first class is Python script. By using test.py, I inserted, updated, deleted. By using browsable API, second concept. This is the third one. You have to install Postman in your system. How to install means just go to the Google. Download Postman. Type Postman download. Here you can download this tool. Then just install. Automatically it will be installed. Download this. Then install it. Once it is installed, is it opened? Yeah. This is the Postman tool. Okay. Now, if your URL endpoint, everything is perfect, then only it is working. Okay. Now, server is okay. take your address, copy, go to your postman tool, and ikkada paste that address. Endpoint is API. And ikkada methods are there. Get a, post a, put a, which method? Get method. Send the request. If everything goes fine, data is coming. Otherwise, it won't come. You will get n number of errors. On first record, second one, third one, fourth one is available there. If you want to go to the post method, go on the post method. If you want to go to the put method, suppose fourth record is there. Fourth one, I want to go to the put method. This is the record available there. If you want to change data, you can change the data also. First of all, how to insert the data? Okay. చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా, here 4 records are available. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to add the record. Go to the postman. In this, take the post method. Here somewhere body is there. In this body, you can add the data. 4 are available kada. 105. Going to Karina, 18,000 Vijayawada. Okay. 105. Post, you can select. Click on send. Data inserted there. Go to the database. Previously 4 are there. Now refresh. Fifth record is added there. So by using Postman, you have to test it, the records also. Same update, delete. Okay. For example, I want to take the some fifth record. Sorry, post. Sorry. Take the port. This is the fifth record. Here, I want to change the salary, 22,000. Address, I want to change as Bangalore. Put method, send this. లేదా ఉంది కదా. ఓకే, 4 ఉంది, 6 ఉంది, 5th లేదు. So like that, sir, you can change that. 6th one, 22 Bangalore. Put request, send it. Updated successfully. Now refresh. 22 Bangalore. So by using Postman also, you can do any operation. Put method, all operations are there. Post a, get a, put a, patch a, delete a. 6th record. Okay. I want to make it as a delete. Send. Record gone. Go to here. Refresh. 6th record deleted. Like that, by using Postman also, you have to check it. The story of view set. Next concept is authentication and authorization. How to perform authentications, authorizations. Basic authentication, token-based authentication, based on type of user. If he is admin, different permissions. If he is a super user, he can do anything. Normal user, just reading data. So tomorrow we will continue. Bye everyone. Tomorrow class is there. No holiday. టెలిగ్రామ్ కదా.